Hello, welcome to my channel Learn with Experience. Yesterday we have completed the exercise 5.2 question number 4 for the arithmetical progression. Now we want to start the question number 5 in exercise 5.2 arithmetical progression. So question number 5.2 question number 5 have two questions, have two options. One is the 7, 3, 7, 13, 19 and 205. Second is the 18, 31 by 2, 13 and 47. Question is asking find the number of term in each of the following. मतलब ये कह रहे जो सीरीज दी गई है इसका पहला टर्म और 3 टर्म शुरू के दिए गए हैं और लास्ट का टर्म दिया गया है और कह रहा है कि इसका फाइंड करिए नंबर ऑफ टर्म। इस सीरीज में टोटल कितने नंबर ऑफ टर्म दिए गए हैं, जैसे 1, 2, 3 और 4 दिख रहा है। लास्ट टर्म 205 है, बट लास्ट नंबर का फार्मूला क्या होता है, मतलब कैसे, अगर लास्ट टर्म का फार्मूला भी आप लगा सकते हैं या तो 3 नंबर का फार्मूला लगा सकते हैं। सो वी विल जस्ट अप्लाई, सो वी जस्ट स्टार्ट। given that AP is this one, okay, now just put, okay, so from the given AP या ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग if I raised to first t first term A is equal to 7 from the given AP. Similarly, same thing, common difference D is equal to, we know Tn minus 1 is equal to T2 minus T1, okay, so is equal to T2 is equal to 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7, okay, 13 minus 7, so it will be the just D is equal to 6, okay, D is equal to 6. Now suppose that nth term को we suggest Tn, nth term of the given AP is 205, okay, so we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. From formula, by formula भी आप लिख सकते हैं। So Tn is 205, यहाँ बल्कि हम लिख सकते हैं फार्मूला करके। So Tn is equal to 205. So put the value, everything, 205 is equal to A is equal to 7. We have already found out 7 plus n minus 1, D is equal to 6, okay. So if you calculate this one, so it will be the 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 and 6. Okay, is equal to 205,198 is equal to, else we can say that n minus 1 is equal to 198 divided by 6. Okay, if we do this one, 6 3 is 18, once remaining remainder, again 6 3 is 18. Okay, so n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1, n minus 1 is equal to 33, or n is equal to 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. Hence the total number of term in given AP is 34. So this is our answer of the first part. Okay, so we have completed the first part. Now we proceed for the next part, second. Okay, so we just don't do same things, just we change the value. Okay, so we just remove first this everything, we just move ahead for the, okay, we just move ahead. Please see carefully. Nothing else. Okay, same pattern, there is nothing will be changes, everything is same. We just copy this one, the given AP is so on. The first term is 18 and 31 by 2 minus 18. Okay, so when we calculate this one, 46, it will be the minus, just write here minus 5 by 2, because when you multiply 18 to the 36 minus plus 31 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, now suppose the nth term of the given AP is minus 47. Okay, so we just put the value here is the 47 is equal to E is equal to 18 plus and minus 1 will be the same, and minus 1, D will be the negative value, so we just put in the bracket. Okay, just we calculate 18 plus 18 minus 5 by 2 into 1 is equal to minus 5n, or we just okay, it will be in bracket n minus 1 5 by 2, सॉरी इट विल बी द गुड, इसको वैसे नहीं करते, ऐसे कर लेते हैं, तो माइनस 18 माइनस 5n by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, or else we can say that minus 5 n by 2, it will be transferred to the left side, so it will be the 5n by 2 is equal to minus 14 will be here. So 18 plus 47 and plus 5 by 2 and plus 5 by 2. Okay, if you calculate this one, so it will be 5n by 2 is equal to 18 plus 47. If you calculate this one, so it will be 5n by 2 is equal to 165, 130 by 2. We can deduct from this one to this one. So here will be the 5n is equal to 130. When we deduct this one, it will be the n is equal to 5, 2 is 10, 5 3 is n is equal to 5, 2 is 10, 5 6 is 30. So n will be the 26. Hence the total number of term is in given if is equal to 26. So this is the second solutions. You can check it. This is the second solutions. Okay. If you have any problem in question number 5, please let me know. Then we can complete. We can understand. Please comment and tell to me. And tell to me. Please like and share my channel so can get more students, more persons benefit. Thank you so much. We just proceed for the question number 6. Okay, so here we have just one mistake. It will be the 65 to the 130 plus 5 is equal to 135. Sorry, 135. It will be the 135. So it will be the 27. And it will be the 27. Sorry, this is just a minor mistake. So this is the second questions. The given AP is the total number 27. So we just move ahead now. Just move ahead for the question number. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is the term of the AP 11, 8, 5 to so on. एक AP हमको दिया गया, कह रहा है कि चेक करिए कि अगर ये सीरीज बढ़ती चली जाए तो माइनस 150 इस सीरीज में कहीं पर कोई टर्म आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. तो यानी कि हम मान लेते हैं कि वो कोई जो टर्म होगा वो nवां टर्म होगा, दैट इज विल बी द nth टर्म. सो वी जस्ट स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशंस. सॉल्यूशन. So given AP is, this is the AP. Okay, from the given AP, first term is equal to 11. Common difference, d is equal to tn minus tn minus 1 is equal to t2 minus t1. Okay, so we can put the value. t2 is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 5. So d is equal to minus 5. Okay, so now suppose that nth term of given AP is minus 150. Minus 150. Suppose that nth term of the given AP is nth term, that is the 150, nth term. We can denote this one to Tn. So Tn is equal to minus 150, same as fifth. Now therefore now for Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d from the formula or by the formula. So we just put the value minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 will be same, d is equal to minus 5. Okay, we just do that. Is equal to 11 minus 5n plus 5 is equal to 11 5 is 16 minus 5n. Okay, now we can 5n will transfer to the left side. 5n is equal to 16 plus 150. Okay, so it will be the 166. 150 plus 160 is equal to 166. So n is equal to 166 divided by 5. Okay, it will be will not be a natural number, while we know that term of any AP will be always a natural number. But this is in decimal, so or hence minus 150. So 150 is not a term of given AP. Okay, so this is the answer of question 6. If you have any problem, please tell me, so we can solve. We can comment. Please comment if you have any problem. This is the answer of question number 3. Thank you so much for watching our videos.